praying mantis. So he's preparing for his defensive claw or his armor to launch or to hunt food for his meal. Look, this praying mantis. This is the close-up of video of praying mantis.